Hey, so that's a wrap. That's our last car in the bay there behind us. And we're put those tires on. It's going to roll out of here shortly. It's about 3:30 on our tire change day, Saturday, April 14th. And tell us, how did we do today?
We did really well. We did 22 cars today, which is great despite the snow that's supposed to be coming.
Yeah, we're supposed to have it, for anybody watching this later, or not in Ottawa, we're supposed to have a snowstorm tonight and get like 10 to 15 centimeters. So for all of you who did get your tire changed today, and if the boss or somebody tells you you got to drive somewhere tomorrow, just ask me. I'll send you, can get a note from your realtor so you don't have to go anywhere. But sincerely, thank you to all of you who came today, all of you who I got to call in the last couple of weeks as we were organizing this. It was a fantastic turnout again. It's an event we love doing because we get to hang out with so many people. And you know, it's an opportunity for us to keep you literally rolling. And of course, you always keep us rolling with your referrals and with your trust. So thank you to you. Thank you to Krishna and his crew in the back there. We're gonna make sure that we can see everybody back there who did all the real work today. I chalked tires, that was about what I was responsible for. and DJ'd, so you know that's important too. Absolutely. But thank you very much, and we're never too busy for referrals from great people like you. Have an awesome day, and we will talk to you again soon. Bye.
Bye.